السلام عليكم. اسمي نور وأحب اللغة العربية. Hello everyone. My name is Nour and I love Arabic language. درسنا اليوم الحركات, the short and long vowels. In the previous lesson, we start with the short vowels. Do you remember them? These are the short vowels. What is this? الفتحة A comes up the letter like بيت. الضمة أو comes over the letter like بن بن. What is this? الكسرة إي comes down the letter like بنت. إي. This is the short vowels. As I told you, long vowels are the mummies of short vowels. As you can see, the mummies hold baby's hand. So, let's start with this one. This is the short vowel A. And this is the long vowel A, which is حرف الألف. The ألف, the letter ألف. And actually, this ألف is with sukun, with a circle, with no vowel, without A or E, with just a silent voice. But we are not going to find this every time. So, this is the A with the long vowel, which is a letter A, which is suitable with A. What was this letter? Yes, it's the letter B. Ba, the board and the dots below the board. Let's connect the letter B with the long vowel A. So, ba, like bab. Can you hear the difference between bait, bab, بيتي, بني, باب, بيتي. So, ba is long vowel, bab. بيتي is short vowel, ba. Let's go to the second one. What is this? This is a dhamma, the short U, which is suitable with the letter wow. U with a circle, it's U. This is the B plus U. Boo. B is connected with the U. That's why it has one hand to connect with the letter after. The letter is U. So boo. For example, booma. Can you hear the difference between bun, booma, bun, booma, bun, booma, boo. Let's go to the third one, which is, what was this one? Yes, it's الكسرة إي. And what is this? This is حرف الياء. With the sukun, it's E. So, which is suitable with the E. Let's connect the B with the E. And to know the short vowel, E, B. For example, B-A. It's the first thing which pops into my mind. B-A, which means environment. B-A. Can you hear the difference between bint, B-A. So, this is the long vowels, short and long vowels in Arabic. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and you understand the difference between short and long vowels. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be so easy and so interesting step by step. See you later. إلى اللقاء. مع السلامة. شكراً اليوم.